Hi students, today we are going to discuss about two topics. First is word problem and second is combined addition and subtraction. Then all of you take your textbook, page number 105, exercise 4.4. First question, a dining table costs 25,320 rupee and a sofa set cost 50,347. What is the difference in their cost? We want to find out their difference. Difference means minus. First of all, we identify which is the bigger number. In this problem, the dining table set cost 25 something and sofa set cost 50 something. So, which is the bigger number? 50 something. So, first we identify which is the bigger number, then write that bigger number and minus the smaller number. Okay. Then the cost of a table set. Then cost of a sofa set. Cost of a sofa set equal rupees 50,347. First we write the bigger number. Next we write the cost of a table set. Cost of a table set equal rupees 25,320. The given problem, first they given the cost of a table set, then after given the cost of a sofa set. First we identify which is the bigger number here. Here our bigger number is 50,347. That's why we have to write the number cost of a sofa set at the first. Then cost of a table set write the below. Then we want difference. Difference means minus. Therefore, their difference equal then 7 minus 0 is 7. Then next 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 equal 0. Next 5. 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So, we want to borrowing 1 here and write here 4 and here the number is 10. Then 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 4 minus 2 equal 2. So, we get the answer as 25,027 as their difference. Okay. In this type of word problem, we should very careful that which is the bigger number. So, first we identify which is the bigger number, then that number minus the smallest number. So, we get the answer X difference. Okay. Then our second question. Our second question is Mr. Singh earned 30,560 rupees in a month and Mr. Rao earned 70,940. How much more did Mr. Rao earn? First we identify which is the bigger number, then 30 something and 70 something. Which is the bigger number? Yes, 70 something. That means Mr. Rao's earning. So minus Rao's earning, then minus 30,560. Okay, first we write the earning of Mr. Rao. Earnings of Mr. Rao equal his earning is 70,940 and earning of Mr. Singh. Earnings of Mr. Singh is rupees 30,560. In this textbook we given the value as Mr. Singh earnings, then given Mr. Rao's earning. But we have to select the first number as 70 something because which is the bigger number? 70 something is the bigger number. That's why we have to select in 70,940 in first position. Next we want to find out their difference. Then we know that difference means minus. So put minus sign here. Then minus 0 minus 0, 0. Then 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is not possible. So borrowing 1 here. Then cut it and write it as 8 and this number is 14. Then 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 equal 8. Then 8 minus 5 equal 3. Then 0 minus 0, 0. Then 7 minus 3 equal 4. So we get the answer as 40,380 rupees. So the earnings of Mr. Rao and Mr. Singh, their difference equal 40,380. In this problem, the first problem, the same way we have to identify which is the bigger number. That's why we have to write that bigger number in the first position. Then write the smallest number and find out their difference. Okay. Then third problem, a man bought a computer for rupees 50,600 and a TV for rupees 31,200. By how much was the computer more expensive? First we identify which is the bigger number. Here the order is correct because our bigger number is 50 something. That's number is the first position. So we write 50 something number in first position. Then after add the smallest number and then find out its difference. Then the cost of a computer. Cost of a computer equal rupees 50,600. Next we want to write the cost of a TV set. Cost of a TV set equal rupees 31,200. Next we want to find out their difference. So we write difference. We know that difference means minus. So we write here minus, then subtracting these numbers, 0 minus 0 is 0, then 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 2 equal 4, then 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So again borrowing 1 here, then write here 4 and here write the number as 10. Then 10 minus 1 equal 9. Then 4 minus 3 equal 1. So we get the answer as 19,400. In this problem, the order is correct. First we are given the number as the cost of a computer. Then given the number as the cost of a TV set. Next we want to find out their difference. So we have to just subtracting that number. So their difference is 19,400. Our next topic is combined addition and subtraction. That means we have to simplify in the correct position order from left to right. That means the given question is simplify the number 7,243 plus 1,320 minus 2,384. First we are doing the first two numbers. In the middle number, first we are doing the two numbers. The middle symbol is plus sign. That's why we have to select that number first. That means 7,243 plus 1,320. Okay, in doing every problem, we must select the first order, first to last order. So in this problem, the middle symbol is plus. That's why we have to select that number position. Then the middle is minus. So first we doing the minus position. Then after which symbol is doing plus or minus, that's we are doing. Okay, first here doing the plus symbol. That's why we are adding. 3 plus 0 is 3. Then 4 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 3 equal 5. Then 7 plus 1 equal 8. So we get the answer as 8,563. So in this position we get the answer as 8,563. So here we first write that answer. That means 8,563. Minus. Next our symbol is minus. So we write minus and next our number as 2,384. Then minusing that number, 3 minus 4 is not possible. So borrowing 1 here. Then cut and write the number as 5. And here the number as 13. Then 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 equal 9. So we write 9. Then 5 minus 8 is not possible. So again borrowing 1 here and write the number as 4. And here the number is 15. Then 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 equal 7. So we write 7. Then 4 minus 3 equal 1. And 8 minus 2 equal 6. So we get the answer as 6179. So again I explain the problem. Simplify the number 7243 plus 1320 minus 2384. First we select the position, first two position values. So we write 7243 plus 1320. The middle symbol is plus, that's why we are adding that number. So we get the answer as 8563. So in the position, these two numbers, we get the answer as 8563. So first we write 8563. That means our answer is right in the first position. Okay, but 8563. Next our symbol is minus. So we write minus, and next our remaining number is 2384. Then minusing that number, that means 3 minus 4 is not possible. So borrowing 1 here. So cut here 6 and write the number 5, and borrowing number is 13. Then 13 minus 4 equal 9. Then 5 minus 8 is not possible. So borrowing 1 here. Cut the number 5 and write here 4. Then this number is 15. 15 minus 8 equal 7. Then 4 minus 3 equal 1. 8 minus 2 equal 6. So we get the answer as 6179. So last we write therefore 7243 plus 1320 minus 2384 equal to, our answer is 6179. Okay, then one more problem. Our second question is simplify 9,000, 94,512 and 23,417. That number may be minusing, then adding 53,641. First we are doing which function? We are doing minus symbol. That's why we have to subtracting the number. So write the first positional two values. That means 94,512, then minus, next write 23,417. So we want to minus that number. 2 minus 7 is not possible. So borrowing 1 here, then cut and write the number 0. Here the number is 12. Then 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 equal 5. Then 0 minus 1 is again not possible. So borrowing 1 here, cut the number 4 and here 10. Then 10 minus 1 equal 9. Then 4 minus 4 equal 0. 4 minus 3 equal 1 and 9 minus 2 equal 5. 9 minus 2 equal 7. Then we get the answer as 71,095. Okay. Then one more checking. 2 minus 7 is not possible. Then borrowing 1 here, cut the number 0. Then write 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Then 0 minus 1 is not possible. So borrowing 1 here, cut the number 5 as 4 and 10. 10 minus 1 equal 9. Then 4 minus 4 equal 0. 4 minus 3 equal 1. Then 9 minus 2 equal 7. So then next we want to write the step as, yes, we write the answer here. That means the 94,512 minus 23,471. 23,417. So our answer is 71,095. First we write that answer. Then which symbol? Here our symbol is plus. So we write here adding symbol. Then write that balance number. That means 53,641. Okay. Then 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 equal 6. Then 9 plus 4 equal 13. 3. 1 balance. Then 6 plus 1 equal 7. Then 1 plus 3 equal 4. Then 7 plus 5 equal 12. So our answer is 1,24,736. Okay, first we are doing which function? First we doing subtracting, then getting that answer, then next our function is adding. So getting that answer plus next remaining number. So we get the answer as 1,24,736. So we write therefore 94,512 minus 23,417 plus 53,641. Then our answer is 1,24,736. Okay, so I hope all of you understood today's class. Let's wind up our class. Before that, all of you do exercise 4.5. Then children, take care. Bye.